welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Bantu knots and I'm super excited for this style because I feel like it's gonna look really cute on me or whatever, I don't know. But alright, let's get into it. So I have this is freshly washed hair. I also blew it out because I feel like it's easier for me to manage my hair when it's blown out, as well as I'm hoping the results from these Bantu knots will be better than when my hair is wet. I've done Bantu knots on my hair wet, and I don't know if it was because like my hair didn't dry properly or something, but the end results did not look good. So yeah, I'm gonna do this on dried hair. And yeah, so the products that I'm gonna be using is from Afro Sheen, their Crown Defining Curl Cream. It looks like this, as well as their Lush Frill Butter. Probably going to focus this one more on my ends because it's very thick. When I say thick, more like grease consistency, like it's a butter that has to melt between your fingers if you want to use it. And yeah, I'll be using some clips. I have about like 30 of these around me, so I don't know how many I'm going to use, but that, and I have rat tail comb for parting. And where's the edge control that I'm using? Oh, right here. I just picked up this, I mean, it's new for me. I don't know how new, like how long it's been on the market, but it's Edge Fixer Glue. It's from Kiss. And I'm thinking I want to start in the front, that way I can see what I'm doing, because when I start in the back I don't really know what I'm doing yet, and I feel like the front is what I'm going to be looking at mostly, like when I take pictures, so I want to make sure the front look good. I also want to do triangle parts, so we'll just see where this takes us. So I'm going to part my hair. I'll turn to the side to show you. I want to part my hair, actually, yeah, like from right here, like behind the ear. Alright, so I am just going to start in the front of my hair. Like I said, I want to see the vision of where I'm going with the look before I start in the back, because one, I can't see the parts in the back, and I know that I want the triangle parts and I want them to look good in the front. So I'm really bad at parting, so I go over these lines like a bunch of times before I'm happy with them, and then I'm just sectioning off each section and putting them to the side so that I can see the whole look. And I'm ready to get started right after that. Okay, so I've parted the front in the triangles that I like, so now I'm ready to get into, you know, the Bantu knot. I think I'm gonna do my edges first. This smells so good. It smells lovely. So to begin, I apply the edge control and brush my hair back so that I'm getting rid of any flyaways or frizzes from my hair. And then I go in with the cream and the butter and place it evenly throughout the strand or the section. And I begin to do the twist. So as I'm twisting, I'm just doing like kind of like a finger coil just around my finger, and I keep applying the cream to it so that I can make sure that as much moisture is locked in as possible. And then I go in and comb it out so that I can make sure that there's also no lumps. And yeah, then we begin the Bantu knot, and to do that I just continue to spiral it around my finger as well as wrap it around the initial knot. To explain it better, what I did was try and like hold my finger, like pinching the top of it, and would just keep wrapping the hair around the initial pinch. And that's how we get the spiral look of the Bantu knot. My ends are pretty trashy, so they weren't really being able to be tucked in. My ends are bad because I do have color treated ends. Well, I mean, it was originally my whole head, but it's growing out and I've been trimming it, so eventually I'll be color free. But yeah, I would just secure it with a rubber band, and I did apply oil to my rubber bands before putting them in my hair so that I can prevent any breakage when it was time to, you know, take them out. And yeah, so again, I just continue to do my hair, applying the products, twisting it around, and forming that spiral Bantu knot. You can think of it as, you know, a staircase or something, and you just want to like level up the knot. So when you're wrapping it around, it's going to get higher and higher. And yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And I just continue this process throughout the rest of my head, and you know, I achieve my Bantu knot look. Okay, so I have finished these Bantu knots. It wasn't that bad. It didn't take me too long to do. Parting honestly just is what took me the longest. But other than that, super simple, super easy. And yeah, I'm gonna do my edges. And where's my edge control? Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna show you guys what oils I'll be using on my scalp to finish off this look. And boom, that's it. Okay guys, so to finish off this look, I'm gonna go in with my ORS Scalp Rescuing Detox Concentrate. I'm just going to squeeze some of this into my roots. Just to, you know, I feel like anytime I do any type of protective style, I need to, you know, take care of my roots too, because that's also important. I just put product on the ends of my hair, so now I gotta do my roots and stuff. Okay. Nothing too crazy. Just rub it in. And last but not least, I'm going to use the Afro Sheen's Glow Up Shine Spray to solidify this look. And boom, that's it. Super cute. I'm really feeling myself. Not even going to lie or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more content, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.